Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Oh, hello, welcome back. I'm going to steam some chicken feet in the wok to demonstrate the versatility of the fast cooking system. When I first found chicken feet being sold at Walmart, I was very surprised. I still remember the shock that the cashier saw it and she said to me, "What the heck is that?" Needless to say, to some people this actually is pretty disgusting. However, it is not for me because I was growing up eating chicken feet. In fact, it was considered to be a delicacy, particularly in southern part of China. And in fact, the best way to cook chicken feet is to steam them. So I'm going to provide you a demonstration of how to use the wok as a steamer. Honestly, I was very surprised to find chicken feet at Walmart. In fact, I asked the cashier, "Have you seen anybody who buy chicken feet?" She said, "No, in fact, you are the very first one." The chicken feet is actually quite inexpensive and they are very nicely cleaned up. The first thing I need to do is to cut off the tips of the chicken feet. And then I'm going to spread them evenly over the surface of a plate. This plate will fit very well in my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. Next, I season the chicken feet generously with my basic seasoning mix. And then I season the chicken feet with additional seasoning agents from my masala dabur. I use more lemon pepper, and then I also use some paprika, cumin, as well as some ginger powder. Finally, I season it with more black pepper. Actually, I have seasoned the chicken feet in many different ways, but today this is how I would like it. It turned out that steaming is probably the best way to cook chicken feet. I put a steam rack in my 14-inch Cuisinart stainless steel wok, and then I put the plate right over it. It turned out that this works perfect because the glass cover just fits. And the glass cover is perfect for this purpose because I can see what's going on. It is another reason that I really like this wok because of its ability to carry out different type of cooking functions. I set the heat of the stove to slightly over low so that I can keep the water in a minimum simmering. This will generate enough heat to steam the content. You don't want to turn the heat too high because you don't want the water to be in full boil. This will generate way too much steam and it causes the water to boil away quickly. It takes approximately 1 hour to steam the chicken feet to the texture that I prefer. And my wife did not grow up eating chicken feet like I do. So when she sees me eating chicken feet, she finds it kind of disgusting and she asks me, "What did you get out of it?" In fact, it is kind of difficult for me to explain because there's really not that much meat in the chicken feet. I guess to me it is the texture of the chicken feet that I find it attractive. It is a funny combination of chewiness and crunchiness kind of combined together. The texture of the chicken feet is actually due to the high level of collagen in the tissue. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. And collagen are found in the tendon, in bones, and in many different types of cartilage and in skin as well. After doing some research on the internet, I discovered the reason that why people start to eating chicken feet because they think this high collagen content may help relieve joint pain. They also may help provide better skin health and also prevent bone loss. So when I searched for recipe on the internet on how to use chicken feet, it turned out that the most frequently chicken feet is used for making soup. So by boiling the chicken feet in making a soup, it will release the collagen into the soup, and that is supposed to provide significant nutritional benefit. So okay, now the chicken feet is almost done. They look delicious to me. Whereas my wife walking by, shaking her head and holding her nose. This actually demonstrates how important that what we eat as children. So okay, now the dish is done. Last but not the least, I'm going to garnish the chicken feet with a little bit of a scallion. Well, you probably wonder how I'm going to eat this. In fact, I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator and eat them cold as snacks. In the past, the only time I eat chicken feet is that when I'm in a dim sum restaurant, like in Chinatown in Chicago. There are one dish in the dim sum is chicken feet. And now since Walmart's selling chicken feet and I know how to cook them by steaming them, I can have chicken feet anytime I want. I said this is a demonstration of the versatility of my fast cooking system with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. The goal is that through the fast cooking system, you're able to cook anything that you choose. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.